Hi, students. At the 11th hour of this song, someone asked, what is the strum? And I suggested it was down, 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 up, down. So in 4/4 time, let me spotlight. In 4/4 time, and if you're counting, it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it'd be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And I think the tune, I think the rhythm of the melody and the lyrics let me show the song as I play. And yeah, there is kind of a come to as you are, to as you were. It's almost like the syllables as the words as you are, as you were, as you is that 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2. Let me demonstrate. So again, it's down, 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 up, down. Come as you are, as you were, as I want you to be, as a friend, best friend. Take your time. So once you get the muscle memory of the down, 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 the song which is basically 2 chords in the beginning will just begin to gel, and you won't have to think about the strum as much. And then some. All right, have fun with that.